Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the amazing benefits of planking every day for just 1 minute. Sounds easy, right? Well, let's dive into the science and see what happens to your body when you commit to this simple yet powerful exercise. First things first, what exactly is planking? Planking is a core strengthening exercise where you hold your body in a straight line, supported only by your toes and forearms. It targets your abs, back, arms, and even your legs, making it one of the most efficient exercises for overall strength and stability. But how does it affect your body if you plank for just 1 minute every day? Let's find out. Planking daily for 1 minute helps build and tone your core muscles. Your core is not just your abs, it includes all the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and even your hips. By holding a plank position, these muscles work together to maintain stability. Over time, this strengthens your core, improving posture, balance, and even reducing the risk of back pain. But that's not all. The planking movement also engages your arms, shoulders, and legs. You'll notice more definition and strength in these areas as you continue to plank. In fact, some people even see improvements in their arm strength and endurance after just a few weeks of consistent planking. Now, what about fat loss? 1 minute of planking may not seem like a fat-burning workout, but it actually helps improve your metabolism. When you hold a plank, your body is in an isometric position, meaning your muscles are working hard to hold that position without moving. This increases your calorie burn and boosts your metabolic rate, helping you burn fat more efficiently, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Planking every day isn't just great for your body, it's also great for your mind. Holding the plank position requires mental focus and discipline. It pushes you to stay in the position, even when you feel like giving up. This mental resilience builds over time, making you more determined and persistent in other areas of your life. It's a great way to train your willpower and focus. So, what happens in the long run? If you plank for just 1 minute a day, you'll begin to notice some major changes in a few weeks. Your core strength will skyrocket, your posture will improve, and you'll feel more stable and balanced overall. Additionally, your back will become stronger, which helps prevent back pain and improves your overall mobility. With consistency, 1 minute a day can lead to long-term results that improve your overall fitness level. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make sure you're getting the most out of your daily plank. First, focus on form. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, no sagging hips. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold the position. As you get stronger, you can increase your plank time or try more advanced variations, like side planks or plank to push up. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with it, and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video inspires you to start planking every day for just 1 minute. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Keep planking, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.